Hello everybody, I will remove the phone dock cradle and I will install a storage tray. Use a plastic tool and try to lift the dock. To disconnect the plugs, remove the parking brake cover. Disconnect the bigger plug by pressing the pin and release the safety. Disconnect the antenna plug and you can remove the phone holder from the armrest. Place the tray first on the front of the armrest. As you can see, the space in the armrest now it's bigger. Place the plugs into position. Now you can install the parking brake cover. First place it on the top and press slightly on it until it clicks. Thank you for watching. If it was useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons. For any questions, you can leave a comment and I will try to answer all of you.